Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to save Grok Conversations as a PDF file. Now, imagine you've been having an engaging conversation on Grok, discussing important topics or sharing valuable information. You might want to keep these discussions intact for future reference or share them with others without losing any detail. This is where converting your Grok conversations into a PDF file becomes incredibly useful. PDFs are widely used because they're easy to share, view, and print without any formatting issues. So, let's dive into how you can achieve this in just a few steps. To begin with, you'll want to open your favorite web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to Google, the trusty search engine many of us rely on for quick access to information. In the Google search bar, type in Grok and hit Enter, or click on the little magnifying glass icon to perform the search. Once the search results appear, look for the official Grok website. Typically, it should be among the top results you see. Click the link to be directed to Grok's homepage. Now that you're on the Grok website, you have access to all its features, including your saved conversations. The next step is to find the specific conversation you want to save. This part is crucial because you need to ensure you're selecting the right conversation. Browse through your list of conversations and pick the one you want. It's a good idea to double-check that the conversation is complete and contains all the details you need. This will ensure you don't miss any important information in your final PDF. After selecting the desired conversation, scroll down through the conversation until you reach the very end. This is an important step to ensure that the entire conversation is captured in the PDF file. Missing this step might result in an incomplete document, which you definitely want to avoid. Now, let's turn our attention to the interface of the Grok website. Look for a menu icon, commonly represented by 3 vertical dots. This icon is known as the overflow menu, and it hides additional options that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find different actions you can take, one of which is Export to PDF. By selecting the Export to PDF option, you initiate the conversion process. This process takes all the text and elements from your conversation and transforms them into a PDF file. This format is not only universally accessible, but also easy to share with others. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully saved your Grok conversation as a PDF file. This method is particularly effective for keeping your information well organized and ensuring you can retrieve it whenever you need. You can repeat these steps for any other conversations you wish to save. The more you practice, the more efficient you'll become at exporting Grok conversations into PDF format. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to save Grok conversations as a PDF file. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.